Hey guys, it's Desiree. If you're always on the go and don't have time to cook a healthy breakfast, then I have the recipe for you. It's a cherry vanilla overnight oatmeal that requires just a few ingredients and doesn't need to be cooked. What's great about this recipe is that you can make it ahead of time and just eat it when you're ready. It also features the Skylar Ray cherries from Stamilk Fruit. They are considered the sweetest cherries you'll ever eat because of their high sugar levels, and they are in season from mid-June to mid-July. Stamilk Fruit was awesome enough to sponsor this video, and I want to thank them for sending me some of these sweet cherries to use in this recipe. I've included a link to where you can get more info on these Skylar Ray cherries below. Grab a bowl and add some rolled oats, unsweetened non-dairy plain yogurt, some non-dairy milk of your choice. I'm using soy milk, vanilla, maple syrup, and hemp seeds. Mix the ingredients together. Since I'm using unsweetened non-dairy yogurt, I'll put a little bit more maple syrup so that the oatmeal is slightly sweet. If you use sweetened non-dairy yogurt, then you may want to put less maple syrup so that it's not overly sweet. Then distribute it between 2 mason jars. Make sure to leave some room at the top of the jars for the toppings. Cover the mason jars and refrigerate overnight. When you're ready to eat it, just top off the oatmeal with some sliced Skylar Ray cherries and almonds and enjoy! I've included a link to where you can get this recipe below. Thanks again to Stamilk Fruit for the Skylar Ray cherries, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to get notified of when I post new videos. I hope you enjoy making this overnight oatmeal, and I'll see you later.